Another negative trait of the soul is being overly absorbed in worldly things and affairs. If this is done beyond one's necessities, it will distract them from preparing for the hereafter, which involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience. A Muslim should therefore busy themselves in taking from the material world in order to fulfill their necessities and responsibilities without excessiveness, extravagance, or waste. And then they must concentrate on preparing for the hereafter. Anyone who oversteps this limit contradicts the advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which is found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3976. He advised that a Muslim cannot make their Islam excellent until they avoid the things which do not concern them. The material world beyond one's necessities and responsibilities does not concern them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.